Jacob, hi, honey. Can you say hi to mommy?
Hi.
Over here. Look at mama. Can you show me your teeth? Hi, baby. Do you like your drum? Where's your drum? Where's your other drum? There it is. Yeah. Can you hit your drum? Good job, baby. You're showing mommy all your toys. Uh-oh, gotta turn it on. Jacob. Jacob, I love you. Can you say I love you? I love you. I love you. Can you say hi? Can you say bye-bye? Jake, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Wave, bye-bye. You coming over here? You coming over here? Whoa. There you are. You want to do your puzzle for mama? You do the puzzle? Here, baby. Show mommy where that goes. Where's it go? Can you put it where it goes? Here. That's right. What's next? Look at it. Where's it go? Yeah, there it goes. What's next? Uh-oh. Is that your blue oval? Where's it go? Uh-oh, it fell down. Yeah, that's where it goes. Put it in its place. Okay, what's next?
Doll.
That is a octagon, red octagon. Where does it go? Right there. Good job.
Doll.
That one is a diamond, a red diamond. Where does the diamond go? Yep, you're so smart. What's next?
Doll.
Triangle, purple triangle. Where's it go? That's right. And what's left? Uh-oh. Pick it up. That's the green pentagon. Where does it go?
Dog.
Pentagon. Green. Can you say green? Very good. Okay, can you... This one is green. Can you say green? Red.
Red.
Blue. Yellow.
Oh.
What's this one? Red.
What?
Purple.
Is it?
Blue.
Oh.
Yellow.
Oh.
Yeah. Good job. I love you, baby. Can you say bye-bye?